Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to GK Time. First question. In which country introduced paper currency? Answer is China. Second question. Who is known as Little Copperole? Answer is Napoleon. Third question. In which year Christopher Columbus discovered in America? Answer is 1942. Fourth question. The first atom bomb dropped in Japanese city Hiroshima. Answer is Little Boy. Fifth question. Who has been the Nobel Peace Prize in 2025? Answer is Maria Corina Machado. Sixth question. Who is the first INC president? Answer is W.C. Banerjee. Seventh question. Who is the first woman president of INC? Annie Besant. Eighth question. In which year British came to India? 1600. Last and final question. Who awarded Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer is Mohanlal.